Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use replay on Ninjatrader. So replay is a feature. It is not backtesting. However, we can use this to replay a specific market on a specific day. So for example, today we can do this. We can select the speed in which we want to view the market replay in. And then if we want to view the trades that were taking place, we can select a specific account, which will display the trades. So we can press start replay when we've done that. And then as you can see here, up here we have the speed, which we can alter the speed here. And then by clicking the X up here, we can go ahead and further edit the time, edit the date, etc. Go ahead, start replay again. And yeah, we can go ahead and chart out all of the tools that we've used and used before. So as you can see, trading doesn't actually work in here. It just gives you the option to trade without actually being able to trade, which is weird. I don't really understand that, but yeah, nonetheless, we can use all the indicators and use this window as if we are trading in real time, and we can just use this feature up here to hone in on a specific time frame, specific day, and we can speed up the trade, and we can use this for manually backtesting and testing out strategies that we are using and trying to integrate into our trading. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything is the same as the normal market. Here we have all of our account information, all of our things that we can drop and place on the dashboard, where the options up here, etc. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.